Hi friends, this video shows how to format this Samsung T7 Shield SSD storage as removable storage using Google TV Streamer 4K device. Here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV Streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see the black cable that is connected to this Samsung SSD storage. This is a setup. Then go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to system, go down, set storage, and here from this device storage section we can select this Samsung USB drive 1 TB, that is this SSD storage. So right now this SSD storage is working as internal storage of this Google TV streamer. So I have increased the storage space of this Google TV streamer. You can see 26 GB and 1 TB. Okay, so let me format this SSD. Select it. Here you can see the option erase and format as removable storage. Select. If you want to take the backup of apps, you can take backup using this backup apps option. So let me format. Done. Select OK. So now you can see that 1 TB SSD storage moved to removable storage section. Earlier it was here under device storage, so now it's under removable storage. So this way we can format Samsung SSD storage as removable storage. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.